So 2 years ago, I saved these seeds from the dahlia called Poo. This is kind of what it looks like after 2 years. Basically, we just have a whole bunch of dahlia petals that are dried, mixed in with all the seeds that you have to go through and pick out. So this, here's one. This is what a seed looks like. Right here, it's very little. But before you plant it, you're gonna wanna germinate it. So I took some of the seeds and I laid them out on a paper towel. So here they are. I didn't get all of the flower petals out of there, so there's some flower petals. And it actually smells like it's rotting because of the flower petals, which is pretty gross. But you can see that these seeds have begun to germinate and grow a little white sprout on the bottom. So those seeds I'm going to take and I'm going to begin planting them, and I'm going to grow my own version of Poo and see what grows for me. Here you can have a little closer look at what the sprouts look like. You can see. And I'm going to pop them into this tray here. We're here in the dahlia patch, and I've got my first ever seedlings. I've been hardening off for about 7-8 days. Hardening off basically just means you're putting them outside and letting them get acclimated to the weather before you're just throwing them in the ground and giving them a big shock. Now you can see they're like blowing in the wind. They're really strong. The stems have gotten a lot better. They're tough. They're ready. So they're going in. Now that we're out here in the patch, we're just going to pop one of these things out and check on the roots. Exciting moment. So here you go. Here's your baby dahlia. You can see it's got these nice little roots. It's ready to go into the ground. It didn't like getting taken out, but I'm just going to take it and I'm going to put it right in the ground. It's literally that easy to plant a seedling. So all you got to do is plant a seed, let it grow, and then throw it in the ground just like that. Happy growing.